Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Hi friends, welcome to our SS Maths Academy and welcome to 10th session of progression special in the geometry progression. Today we are going to, I have to come with you model number 3 and 4 question I should explain to you. Before that I want to tell you Happy Republic Day to all my dear friends. Next year we have to celebrate in our schools and colleges and whatever it is education institution, we have to celebrate this Republic Day happily. And dear student, the question is, yes, find x so that x comma x plus 2 comma x plus 3 are three consecutive terms in GP. Three consecutive terms in GP. We should find x value. Yes, we have to solve this question very easily. But before I want to tell you very important polyset, polytechnic or competitive exam questions. These are the two important points, concept you must know to in your mind, then it is easy better. What is the point? For suppose ABC, PQR, LMN, whatever you have to take the variables or in AP, then what is B? What is the middle term B? Here A comma B comma C, three consecutive terms are in GP. What is B? Instead of ABC, we should take PQR. Any numbers will be given. You can do same procedure. The procedure is simple. In AP, what is the common difference of AP? Yes, difference of second term to first term, third term to second term. I mean not consecutive terms, difference of like that. Then what is here? A1, A2, A3. What is the common difference, dear friends? Only three consecutive terms are given like that. You can go with B minus A. D is nothing but A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 and so on. A1 means B minus A. A3 minus A2 nothing but C minus B. This is the value of A2 minus A1. These are the values of A3 minus A2. Now minus B transport left side becomes to plus B, nothing but B plus B 2B. Minus A transport right side becomes to plus A. Plus B minus B come to left side becomes to plus B, B plus B 2B. Here C as is there, minus A transport right side plus A. 2B equals to A plus C. B is equals to A plus C by 2. This is the value of U. Yes, B is equals A plus C by 2. Right, my dear friends? Now simple, I can say one question. 3 comma 4 comma 5 are in GP, are in AP, because one you should add it. What is, for example, in the place of middle term, they have to ask one x. What is the value of x? Simple, you can say sum of these two by 2. 3 plus 5 by 2, 8 by 2, nothing but 4. Right, by using same formula, A plus C by 2, A plus C, 3 plus 5, 8 by 2. Yes, it is 4. Check it once. Yes, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Got it. Like this, these questions will come in part B. We can solve the answer very easy. Sometimes they may be asked like this, B minus A equals to dash. In option C minus B will be there, you can put it. Sometimes they should ask 2B equals to dash. In option A plus C will be there, you can write the answer. That's it. Sometimes they have to ask B. In these three cases, they have to any question also should they have to frame in the paper. Get ready, my dear students. Now in GP, A comma B comma C are in GP. What is B? I told you very good clear. What is the ratio? A2 by A1 or A3 by A2. When three consecutive terms will be there. Now we are A1, A2, A3. A2 B by A. A3 C by B. Now this is one kind of ratio. Now do cross multiplication. B into B, B square is equals to AC. Or B equals to root AC. In the time of they should ask the question A comma B comma C are in GP, then B square equals to dash AC. Then B equals to dash root AC. Like that you can find any kind of questions very easy manner by applying this kind of concept. Same kind of concept I am going to apply here because it is GP. Then I should find x value. Very easy manner. Let us see, dear friends. Now so here this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. Now our ratio is A2 by A1 or A3 by A2. Yes, my dear friends. Here when any three consecutive terms will be there, we have to equalize these two terms, then we will get the x value. What is the a2 value? X plus 2, substitute. What is the a value? You are right, x only. What is the a3? X plus 3 and a2 x plus 2. Now do cross multiplication. Here compulsory b and b must be similar. Here these two terms are must be similar. That's it. X plus 2 into x plus 2. X into x, x square, like that. X plus 2 into x plus 2, x plus 2 whole square. Now x into x, x square. X into 3, 3x. Now a plus b whole square, expand it. X square plus 2 square means 4. 2ab, 2 into a into b, 4x. I expanded in the form of a plus b whole square, friends. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now that is equals to x square plus 3x. X square get cancelled. Here 4x minus 3x. Here 4x minus 3x. This 4 transform right side minus 4. 4x minus 3x equals to minus 4. Yes, x, I got x value minus 4. But he is asking x value only. What are the terms we have to take it here? X value minus 4. Because x. Next term is x plus 2. Means minus 4 plus 2. Minus 2. X plus 3 means minus 4 plus 3. Yes, minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 are the terms. Is it correct or not? Check it once. Minus 1 into 2. 2. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 4, get it? So, fixed multiplied number plus into 2 into 2. Yes, we have to get the answer. So, this is the value we should get in the 1 marks area. Same question will be there in the exam. What we have to do? This kind of time we don't take it. Then you should go for option. What are the option terms are there? X equals to 2, 3, minus 4, like that. You take the option, substitute the way. Then you can check the answer in this way. 1 into 2, 2 will come. 2 into 2, 4 will come. Then it is in GP. Your answer will be perfect. So these are the very important cases which will be useful for in part B area, especially polytechnic exams. Now dear students, let us see model number 4 for you. Model number 4. The question, now I am reading the question. When I am reading the question, while you are reading the question, you can understand 50% answer better. In what way you have to read the question? For example, in a GP, the third term is 24. AR square equals 24, right? And the sixth term in GP, AR to the power of 5 is 192. Find 10th term. We have to find the 10th term is AR to the power of 9. A is there, R is there, then we can find 10th term very easy. Where we have to get A and R. These two clues you can utilize, then you will get the answer. Now let us see the solution. First clue, third term. What is given dear friends? You write in order. Third term, nothing but AR square is equals to 24. Put equation number 1. Now sixth term, second clue of this question. A6 nothing but AR to the power of 5 equals to 192. Put equation number 1. Then immediately we have to go with the ratio procedure. That means equation 2 by 1. Yes, I am right. What is the equation number? AR to the power of 5 is equals to 192. What is the equation number 1? AR to the power of 2 is equals to 24. I am doing division. Right? I am doing division. A get cancelled. R to the power of 5, R to the power of 2. That means R to the power of 5 minus 2. That means R cube. So we should get R cube. Now here 6 table it will be possible. Otherwise you can go with the 2 table. Your choice. 6 4 ja, 6 3 ja 18. Remainder 1. 6 2 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 8 ja. Then R cube equals to 8. R cube equals to 2 cube. Cube get cancelled. R equals to 2. Yes, I get it. R value 2 difference. Then what shall I do now? Yes, this value substitute in this way. R value we have to substituting in equation number 1. Then we have to get A value. What is the equation number 1? AR square equals 24. What is the R value is 2 square. That nothing but 24. Here 2 square value 4. That is equals 24. A is equals to 24 by 4. 4 1 ja 4 6 ja. A equals to 6. You see, you write like this way. Because when it is possible, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes maths perfect. I got R value and now I have to get A value. Then what is asking? Whatever it is, you can do it. A 10, nothing but AR to the power of 9. What is the A? 6. What is the R? 2 power 9. Yes, I told you very clearly. 2 to the power of 10 up to in your mind, then it is easy. 2 to the power of 9, nothing but 5 12. My means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 9 times you should multiply, then you will get the answer 512. Now 6 into 512 nothing but 3072. Yes, in GP the 10th term is 3072. If you multiply 512 with 6 you should get the answer. What I have done, just you check it. First clue, second equation by first equation, I get it, or substituting 1, I get it. A. These, by using these two values I found it. 10th term, very easy man. Am I right? Now dear friends, let us see model number 5 for you. And dear students, here 4 marks question. This question belongs to 4 marks. Now I want to explain this question. Which term of GB? Find n value. Same question I am going to give to you to practice purpose. This is also very important question. In 2016 I think so. It is there in government exam paper. So this question also very tough question. I want to tell you this one, but you have to practice this one. This answer also I will post it, and when you are getting the answer, immediately send the answer in comment section. Now let us see this question, dear friend. Now what way we have to follow? Same procedure you should also follow here. Now dear friends, this is A1, this is A2 and so on. This is AN. TN or AN or last term. Which term is asking? Here what is there in your question paper? You have to write the values very clearly. Here A is equals to 1 by 3, R is equals to A2 by A1, that nothing but 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. Numerator you should write as it is, then the denominator will be reciprocal, it becomes to 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So I have to get R value 1 by 3, 1, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 1 into 1, 1, 3 1 ja, 3. Now last term AN equals to 1 by 2187. Yes. Now by using AN, this is the clue is there, AN given, then I am going to apply the formula AN equals to A into R to the power of n minus 1. It is the nth term or general term of GP. You know very well. Then you have to write the values. AN value 1 by 2187, A value 1 by 3, R value also 1 by 3. Yes, we have to get now n minus 1. You should understand here, base is 1 by 3 beta, right? Here base is 1 by 3, power is n minus 1. If anything is not there, we can apply 1. When in algebraic when an exponent formulas, when the bases are equal, in multiplication bases are equal, power should be added. Same concept we have to apply here. 1 by 3 as a common base, power should be added. 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. We have to get 1 by 3 whole power of n. Now I have to get 2187 exponent form. We don't know. Then you should go in the exam time rough work with the odd number. I should go with the odd number. 3 7 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6, 2 will be 27, 3 9 ja, again 3 2 ja 6, 1 will be 14, 12, 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja. Then this onwards very easy for you. 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many 3s are will be there, my dear friends? 7 3s. You can write 3 power of 7. Here 1 is not having any power. I have to apply 7. 1 power something, 1 only. So that is the reason. What is the reason I should accept here? Yes, A power of m by B power of m. When the powers will be common, take the power as a common. These two terms will be right in a bracket. Same the way. That is the reason I should apply power 7 for 1. So 1 by 3 whole to the power of 7. Yes, in magic is understand? Yes, in equivalence power should be equal. In equivalence base are equal, power should be equal. That means m equals to n. That means yes, n equals to 7. Base are equal, power should be equal, n equals to 7. Yes, thus you can say thus 7th term of GP, 7th term of GP is 1 by 2187. This is your answer, dear friends. Which term? 7th term is, this is the 7th term in GP. We find it very easy. What I have done, just recall 5 seconds. A1, take it as R, A2 minus A2 by A1, R value 1 by 3. Last term AN equals 1 by 2187. Apply the formula, substitution, base are equal, power should be added. Okay. Now this is base is 1 by 3. This term also converted as a base is 1 by 3. Means 3 to the power of 7 exponents form. Now 1 by 3 whole power 7, 1 by 3 whole power n. Base and equal, powers also equal. Now I applied 3 exponent formulas in this question. Then I should get n value 7. I hope that you have to understand these all the things, all the models very happily, and you should practice this question also and take the good questions also to you from your textbooks and solve it. Do you have any doubts? You do in comment section. Which video you want also do in comment section. That video I will make to design to you. I will create a video for you. I will make a video for you. So my dear friends, you are a new person to me, our channel. Please subscribe our channel, because coming days I am going to introduce English and physics classes also. Till then, practice well and inform to everybody, because knowledge is divine. Thank you very much.